Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you to every one of you that comes to watch my video. I really do appreciate. Lovers of Akara, gather here. Today I'm going to be making Akara or lentil bun with lentils. This is a very easy process. All you need to do is to soak your lentil in water for about 10 minutes. Then you blend with the ingredients you're going to be using. I'm going to be adding a half a size of bell pepper. I have my scotch bonnet and my onion, and I have to start blending the lentils. It is very easy. You don't have to wash it. It's already peeled. So this is the already blended one, and I just added egg. I usually add egg to it to make it fluffy. Mix it very well so that they can combine together. I'm adding Himalayan salt. Be careful with adding salt because when your akara is over salted, you can't eat it. I just added chicken bouillon. I'm going to be mixing everything together. In akara, you don't need a lot of ingredients. All you just need is your onion, your salt, and chicken bouillon. That is it. You don't need to add a lot of ingredients or spices. So I'm going to be heating up my oil. Heat up your oil. Don't allow it to be too hot. Let it be to the level whereby it can start frying on a low heat, because as you keep frying, the oil will be getting hotter. So I'm distributing the little quantity into the oil. Use any kind of spoon, or if you can use your hands to put it, that is okay. But I'm trying to use the spoon. Allow it to fry, and you flip it around. When your oil is getting hot, you have to reduce the heat. Like you see mine, it was kind of hot, and the outer parts got a little bit burnt, but it's okay. It's not too bad. So you try to be very careful with the temperature of your oil. As it's getting hot, you reduce the temperature. So this is what you're going to be doing till you finish frying everything. There is no difference between the akara that is fried with lentil and the akara that you fry with beans. I even prefer this because it has a very unique taste, So keep watching. So now the akara is ready. This is mostly what we eat from my country, Nigeria, in the mornings, mainly weekends. You can use this with custard, camon, or you can eat it like this. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you next